Hey everyone, it's Lucas from Foxtecc. This time we have the iPad right here, and the topic is how do you make videos for Instagram on the iPad. Now, a lot of people don't know about it because Instagram doesn't officially have an app for the iPad, but you can go ahead and download it as a version for iPhone, which is gonna look a little bit weird. Like you can see, it's not made for the iPad, but you can still use the official Instagram app to create reels. So you tap on the plus button at the bottom, so you can just switch to the reels, and you can use all the stuff that you would normally use, like the camera, the GIFs, templates, and choose videos and whatnot. So it's up to you to decide if you want to use the official Instagram way, and if you want to, it is totally possible. However, the way I like to create videos on an iPad, and these can be for Instagram or for any other purpose, is to use an app called CapCut. So this is what it looks like. Now, this is the app right here. And you can, of course, go ahead and open up the App Store and download it there for free. So just look up CapCut. This is what it looks like. It has an official app for the iPad as well. And it's a very useful app. It has one update available, but I'm going to show it to you how you can use it. So you open it up like this, and you don't even have to log in, although it's useful. So you just tap on X and just create a new project and import whichever video you want or whatever it is. So just import a video like this one. And it is like a Apple Watch in my hands and everything. But the point is that in case I want to create videos for Instagram, I need to know which aspect ratio I want to have it. Because, for example, I might want to put it on my story, I might put it as a reel, I don't even know what else. I can share a square video if I really wanted. So the most important part is that as you imported the clip in the timeline, in the CapCut, at the bottom you have the ratio button. So it is right there. You can see here's the ratio. When you click on it, you can pick which option you want to go with. So you already have some prepared options. So like you have the TikTok, which is 9:16, which is the vertical. In case you want to put and share a story, you might want to use this template. This one has Instagram logo on it, but it's just mostly like square. So if you want to share a square video, that's up to you. Or you have the 16:9, which is usually done on YouTube, which is the regular aspect ratio for videos, even this one that you watch right now. So it's up to you to decide, but I would switch between these options. So this is vertical, this is horizontal, this is square. And for Instagram, it depends on, as I said, what you want. In case you want to have it as a story, I would go with this TikTok preset. Just tap on the video and zoom it in to fill entire screen, or depends on what you want to do, what the video is about. I have no idea what you want, but I'm just showing you the blueprint of how I would do it. So this is how it is. You might also use keyframes and everything to move the clip around and stuff. So yeah, it's up to you to play with. I don't really want to just go really in depth about the CapCut. It's a very intense app and there is so much you need to know about it. However, if you want to, you can check out the Foxtecc educational platform, where I have some stuff ready for you, where if you go ahead and join, it's actually free to do so. You can join the social media photo and video course, which I have like videos and courses on how you edit stuff using Adobe Rush. This is what currently is there available. CapCut is coming in the future, so make sure to join right now. There are already people learning inside, and as I said, it's free to do so. So go ahead and check it out right now. I'll wait for you inside. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future.